Hello bestie, how you coping? Kuthiwa your man Kesana is cheating with university students. Indaba engaka. Kuthiwa nanko ngoku he's on his way to a rest. Real chat though, the way they are dragging DJ Zinhle on Twitter, guys, should be illegal. All because of the Pope of pop culture, Musa Khawula, who decided he's going to throw a bomb with no proof. Oh wait, kuthiwa there is proof sana, kuthiwa there is a video. You know, Musa Khawula is still negotiating with DJ Zinhle or Muda not to post the proof. Hello, hi, welcome. I am Simi Sotashe, your chummy that is always ready to spill the tea, no fear or favor. So make sure you are subscribed and you like this video because I made it just for you. Now let's get into this hot mess. The house is on fire. Musa Khawula, as always, broke the news in a post on Twitter. Phofu kuthiwa bethunana ayiqala uphuma le ndaba kudala kuthethwa into enye. Muda Bongs is cheating on DJ Zinhle with university students, just like how Linda Mtoba's now ex-white husband cheated on her with UKZN university students. Before that, he had shared a video of DJ Zinhle and hubby with caption, DJ Zinhle with her husband of convenience, Muda Bongs. DJ Zinhle had married Muda Bongs out of self-pity because her true love, aka, had died, as if the same aka didn't cheat on her multiple times with Bonang Mateba, Nicole Nyaba, and everybody else in between. Yobetunana Umusa has no filter, and he's got such a liver to just put out news like this and not have proof to back it up. But I don't think that it doesn't have proof. Where does Musa get all this information? And most importantly, where is the proof? Because it's Funayona Tina. There's actually a girl that's coming out to support this claim, and who people say is probably Musa's source when it comes to this hot topic. This is what she is saying. Replying to Musa Khawula, she says, LOL, meanwhile he is busy with our housemate, Waserez. And then further says, oh honey, there was a video circulating in the GC at one point, and it was actually 2 years ago, babes. Bakhona that still have pictures, LOL. You just gotta ask the right people for evidence. If this is true, that means Muda has been cheating for years, and probably DJ Zinhle knew about it all along. But yazazi into zabantu abarich basoloko bequnyelwa amanyala abo. Remember that married husband, cheating husband Sidambe, who paid 20k to Musa for him to stop talking about the other girl, I forgot her, Mihlali. So abongayeni ukhupha imali so that the bloggers stop blogging about them. Hence I'm saying that it could be that Musa is still withholding the evidence because maybe he's still negotiating. You know what I mean? People in the comment section didn't hold back. They were saying things such as, not even Zinhle dressing like a 2K can keep her young husband. Kanene umdala DJ Zinhle. Hey, Bongani's first baby mama must be laughing right now. Maybe Bongs is tired of biltong thighs. He wants fresh and young ones. Oh, I can in. What do men want, Mara? DJ Zinhle is beautiful, successful, has her own money, rich. I give up, Shem. Even if you don't want to believe this, 6 months later, the receipts will come out. But I think that what Musa always forgets to say is allegedly. This is all alleged, guys. We want proof to back it up. If it is true, DJ Zinhle must be the unluckiest girl in love, Shem. What do you guys think of this? Leave your comments below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you enjoyed this hot gossip, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.